Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean a pan with baking soda. Now right here I have baking soda and I have a dirty pan and it has egg yolk stuck on it right here from frying. So this is a stainless steel pan that I'm going to be using this baking soda. Now before we get started, make sure that your manufacturer says that you can use baking soda on your particular pots or pans before you get started because you don't want to mess them up. So this is an old pan that I have. I'm not worried about using baking soda. It actually does a really good job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on here like that. So I'm going to put a little bit baking soda on it, just like that. And what I like to do is I'll take some dish soap as well, and I'll put a couple of squirts of dish soap on there. This is Dawn. And then I'll take my sponge, and I want to use the soft spot side on the sponge. Now, depending on your pot or pan, your manufacturer may say it's okay to use the scrubber or the rough side of it, but you'll have to check with your manufacturer of your particular pots and pans before you use this side. So what I do is I just go ahead and get the sponge wet. All right, so get it wet. And so what I'll do is I'll just take the sponge, try to get it wet with warm water because that'll help with removing the crud from your pot or pan. So get the water, and then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and take the pan, and then you'll go around the stain like this, and you'll notice that it may not be enough water in there. So what you do is just add a little bit more warm water to the pot, like that, and then you go ahead. Now, if your pan is able to use the rougher side of the sponge, go ahead and use the rougher side of the sponge. And then what you'll do is just keep on just taking the sponge and going along the pan. Wax on, wax off motion. Paint up, paint down motion. And you'll keep on doing this. And if you have some really, really ground in crud, you may want to soak it by adding just a little bit of water and just letting it sit for a few minutes. Now what you can do is go ahead and rinse out the sponge that you have. Get all of the excess oil and dirt out of the sponge. And then once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and take this pan and just pour out the solution that was in there. And then I'll add a little bit more baking soda to the pan and perhaps a little bit more water. I'll take it and I'll go around in this pan just like that. One more time. Go ahead and do that. And because I let it soak for a few minutes, it allowed some of the water to break up some of that egg that was stuck on the pan. So I have this here. So once you've done that, make sure you've gone, 1 second, over this enough. The outside of the pan, handle. I'm just going to go and take warm water and go over here. Now this pan is old, already scratched up, so I wasn't worried about any baking soda or any Brillo affecting the pan at all. It's an older pan. I'm just rinsing this out. Now you want to know, read the instructions on the manufacturer of the box of the product that you bought. So read the user manual, owner manual of the particular pots and pans that you got to see if it's okay to use baking soda to get off hard, stubborn stains from off of dishes. All right. That's how you use baking soda. A little spot I missed, just rinse it off a little bit. That's how you use baking soda to clean dirty pan, pot. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.